Look up at any tree job, and your eyes naturally go to the climber hanging 90 feet in the air, swinging a heavy chainsaw. It looks exciting, it looks dangerous, and it gets all the glory. But if you talk to any veteran company owner or seasoned crew foreman, they will tell you the absolute truth of this industry. A tree job is not won or lost in the air. It is won or lost right here on the dirt. Welcome to the backbone of the crew, mastering the ground game. This series is not about mindless chores or basic labor. It is a comprehensive masterclass designed specifically for the modern groundsperson. Whether you are stepping onto a tree care job site for the very first time today, or you are a seasoned ground technician looking to fast-track your path into a climbing saddle or a foreman's truck, this training is your playbook. We are tearing down the myth that the groundsperson is just a helper. You are the foundation of the entire operation. If the ground game chokes, production stops, safety is compromised, and the company's profit disappears. Over the next 6 episodes, we are going to build your skills from the bottom up. We will start with what you must know before you ever leave the shop, focusing heavily on your training rights, your personal protective equipment, and emergency readiness. From there, we will tackle the intense reality of your first day on a live site, mastering drop zone awareness, and learning how to read the minds of your climber and foreman so you can anticipate their needs before they even ask. You will discover the secrets of the ultimate cleanup, which is the money zone and the only part of the job the customer actually understands and evaluates. Finally, we will dive deep into the mechanical mastery of chainsaws and brush chippers, the essential rigging knots you need to know by heart, and exactly how to leverage these ground floor skills to maximize your career longevity and your earning potential. The climber might get the applause from the sidewalk, but the ground crew controls the safety, the efficiency, and the final paycheck. It is time to take serious pride in the ground floor. Pull up a tailgate, grab a coffee, and get ready to transform your career from the dirt up. Let us get started with episode 1.